In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlights in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing documents or making final edits, understanding how to manage highlights is an essential skill. Adobe Acrobat makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, we're going to begin by opening the commenting tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So if you haven't launched the program yet, go ahead and do so. Use the menu to navigate to Open, or simply double-click on the PDF file you want to work with. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the sidebar located on the left of your screen. Look for the tool that says Add Comments. Click on it to activate the commenting tools. In some instances, you might already find yourself in the Edit PDF mode, and that's perfectly fine as it also presents you with access to the commenting features. Now that you have the commenting tools open, let's move on to selecting and deleting the highlight. Begin by clicking on the highlight tool icon. This icon resembles a highlighter marker, and selecting it will ensure that you're operating in the correct mode for editing highlights. Next, direct your mouse pointer over to the highlighted text that you wish to remove. When you hover over the highlighted section, you should notice a small pop-up note or box appearing next to it. This is an indicator that you are ready to select that specific highlight. Once you've clicked on the desired highlight, you're presented with two straightforward options for deletion. The first option is the right-click method. Simply right-click on the highlight itself. A context menu will appear, and from there, select Delete. Easy as that, the highlight is gone. Alternatively, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut. Once the highlight is selected, just press the Delete key on your keyboard. The highlighted section will be immediately removed from your text. You can apply the same process to any other highlights within your document that you wish to clear. Just move through your PDF, select each highlight that needs to be removed, and choose your preferred deletion method. This method simplifies the process of tidying up your document and ensuring it looks exactly as you need it to. And that's it! You now know how to remove highlights in Adobe Acrobat. This skill not only helps in maintaining a clean presentation, but also enhances your overall document management abilities. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this process as efficient and useful as I do. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your Adobe Acrobat experience